You search for how to buy shares of CCH Holdings Ltd. CCH Holdings Ltd. is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CCHH, and this short guide gives basic context about the company and how to locate its stock. This is educational information, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds to your balance before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CCHH to find the listing. Locate the NASDAQ entry and confirm the company name to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company overview and the price chart to confirm it is the right stock. Verify the listing details and that the ticker shown is CCHH on NASDAQ. To buy, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to use, then review the order and confirm. If the market is closed, your order will execute when trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the example link and more resources, see the description below.